Telebytes. As you can see, इस केक पे साफ लिखा है हम शांतनु महेश्वरी का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. So let's welcome the birthday boy. Welcome to Telebytes, Shantanu.
Thank you so much.
So,
Thank you.
let's not waste the time. First, you make a wish and blow the candle.
Okay.
Alright. Guys, sing. Come on. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shantanu. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday.
Chew chocolate.
शांतनु, अभी अभी आपने एक बहुत प्यारा सा रेड वेलवेट केक कट किया है जो आपके फैंस ने भेजा है. वो जो आपने कट किया आपके फैंस ने जो भेजा है. सो ये एक लेटर है which they wanted to read.
Hey Tanu, wish you a very 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 happy birthday dear. I wish I could wish you in person also. Nevertheless, my best wishes are always with you. May you get every happiness, joy and climb the highest ladder of success in your life. Wishing you all the best in the years to come. May your days be filled with sunshine and beautiful colors, and may your nights be filled with comforting dreams and wishes to come. I wish you nothing but the best on your special day. I am infinitely grateful that I came to know you, and I am so proud to be a well-wisher of yours. Love you and want nothing but best for you in every term. May the love of God be with you all through with His endless, boundless grace. May He richly bless your life with much happiness and success. Meeting you in real is my only wish, and I know that it will surely happen. Will wait for that special day in my life, but today is your day, and I would like to ask God to give you as much years to live as He can. May you have all days of joy, all day joy your heart can hold, all the smiles a day can bring, all the blessings a life can unfold. May you have God's best in everything's last but not the least. I want you to know that there is someone on this earth who love you the most and want you to see smiling always, and this leave me to say happy birthday. Keep smiling because it really brings a smile on my faces, on many faces. With lots of love, Shantanu _forever admins. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So आज के इवेंट की बात करते हैं जो आपने इतने प्यार से अपने फैंस के लिए किया. The moment you walked in, D3 title track was being played. How did you feel that?
Yeah, actually it reminded me ki where exactly everything started. I mean that's the not it reminded me as such, but it felt nice कि वो thought के वजह से. I mean I'm thanks to Riya and Shikha actually, because and you sorry okay, yes, it was her idea, so I mean that's very thoughtful of you to do that, because that's my claim to fame, I will say. So
आपने ये इवेंट आपके फैंस के लिए किया है. So let's know from your fans. I asked some fans to come here. So अब हम we'll come there. I want to know one complaint that you all have from Shantanu. You can make it on camera today. One complaint from Shantanu.
No complaint, yeah. He's very cute and sweet and innocent.
We love him like anything.
Yeah,
so no complaints.
Like bed to moon.
He's our inspiration.
Yeah.
So there is no complaint at all.
And my first love and crush.
Shantanu, how do you feel about this thing? There are so many girls who are claiming that you're their first crush.
Yeah, really.
I appreciate your choice.
He's speechless. Yeah, speechless.
Everything is like glowing over there.
It's good, right?
Blushing. He's blushing.
That's the best.
Chocolate boy. Chocolate boy.
Don't be shy. It's okay.
Yeah. And her hair
You are.
I'm trying to be okay.
Right, so tell me, आज शांतनु महेश्वरी से मिलके स्वयं की याद आई या the character he played in Girls on Top, which reminded you?
Sahib.
Swayam only.
Swayam.
No, ऐसा नहीं. I think the character is the character. He has a grey character. Swayam has a very positive and nice character. So everyone wants to be like that guy.
We love him as Shantanu more because हमने झलक में देखा है. He performed like so Swayam. Thank you so much.
तो जाते जाते शांतनु के लिए आप सब मिलके एक बार बर्थडे सॉन्ग
Happy birthday to you. शांतनु तेरा बर्थडे है, शांतनु तेरा बर्थडे है, शांतनु तेरा बर्थडे है, और तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, और तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, और तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे।
मैंने भी इतना नहीं सुना ये वाला गाना। Yeah, thank you so much for the interview. Thank you so much.
So as you guys can see, there's all crazy over here. Those who were not part of this, you watched it over here on Telebyte. So do subscribe to the channel and keep following us for more updates on your favorite stars. Niyati Tiwari with camera person Sanjay, Telebyte's Mumbai.